Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be using DaVinci Resolve to do a super cool isolate colour change effect that looks like this. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to use this clip of me standing by a fence in a very bright blue t-shirt for some reason. We're going to open the colour page. We're going to tap this symbol here to open the qualifier, then we're going to tap this symbol to open the 3D qualifier. We're going to go over here and tap the colour picker with the plus symbol, and we're going to just draw around that bright blue t-shirt. I'm going to tap this symbol here to make sure that we've masked out the t-shirt right the way through the clip. Okay, that all looks great. Now we're going to tap this symbol to open up the HDR colour wheels. If we go to the global wheel here and we move that about, you'll see that that changes the colour just on the t-shirt. And this is the bit where I remind you guys, if you're finding this video useful, to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our other videos. Okay, interruption over, back to the video. So let's hit this symbol here to add some keyframes so we can automate that colour change. And now we're going to move through the clip. We're going to add a keyframe and move the setting on that global colour wheel. Let's add another keyframe there right at the end. Change the setting on the colour wheel again. Okay, that plays through like this. Let's add a bit more movement towards the beginning. Add another keyframe there. Change that colour wheel up to this orange colour. Okay, and that plays through like this. So if you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. I'd be really happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.